Only attack on me. But Jayden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going.
What you talking about? Is Jayden place? See me up to the time, you know, a cartel. I represent for Jayden Chase. We spray them face when the AK raise. See me up to the time, you know, the Gaza station.
Yeah, man, now move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, we no find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel, Jayden Chase. And yes, we are bringing another new and yes, exciting reason for the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I'm remind you now. But click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, was a share on the blog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, before we get into the reasoning, Little Addy, yes, you have a new track on the way titled Celebrate. And you know, from your have life, well, that's a cause for celebration. Now, the track itself, him say, yo, girls, money, song, not the other thing. Get your youths a unite as one. Now that brings me to the reasoning, viewers and subscribers. Dancehall music. If you don't realize that there's a target on dancehall music and the artists and stakeholders, well, you need to listen to the vlog in its entirety and it will be clear. Now the DPP, viewers and subscribers, yes, our time has been extended. Even though what is taking place locally with the situation, we not see no changes. We haven't seen much changes. Some would have said figures in crime have risen. Now, the only high profile case that the DPP tried and she did win unlawfully because the practices that were used were unlawful was Vybz Kartel's conviction. Other than that, the X6 case, we can go on. The public was not pleased. And same way Vybz Kartel's situation, even though she won, the public was still not pleased, especially when it was revealed all the tactics that were used. Now, dancehall music, viewers and subscribers, seems to be her primary focus. Tommy Lee Sparta and his annual detainment, meaning yearly, is proof enough. They have never proven any of the allegations, but still, year after year, the artist is detained. Now, dancehall music and Little Addy's statement unite as one. If you don't notice, dancehall music in this day and age, I generate the most GDP and I put the most money in a get the people pocket. From the promo girls to the promoters to the artists to the man at the gate to the lady we have boiled the soup to the superintendent we send off-duty police to come either patrol or wall off the gate. Dancehall I put money in the people in pocket. But at the same time, it is still not regulated the right way. Because, as I say, dancehall artists can bust without a link with certain producers. Artists can make money independently, as in the case of the Vybz Kartel. Spice says she couldn't put out her album because our record label VP would not allow her to release an album. Vybz Kartel put out 2 albums since year, all reached on the Billboard chart, showing say you can do it independently. This is what them not like about dancehall music. It is too close to its core audience, the ghetto. I'm gonna know if I don't notice. Now, as I said, with the reasoning and making it clear, Vybz Kartel and Tommy Lee Spartan are the only artists to be persecuted. Notice, in every day and age, it is the prominent artists of that year, that decade, or that moment which the persecution is on. Before it was dancehall, remember them in a pre-Bob Marley? Peter touched them. Remember? Even if you were not born at the time, you can do the research. Enough people like to them do the research. Google did it. Look upon the situations and allegations brought against Bob and majority of the reggae artists of that day and age. Music, not just locally but also internationally, was one of those ways where individuals who were not born into wealth became wealthy. Is a way how people, remember, in a dancehall music currently, you have some people who don't even have that love or that passion for the music, but because music is so lucrative, you have whole heap of artists that get into the game. Now, Vybz Kartel and Tommy Lee Sparta just to focus on these main individuals because of what take place in the public space and in the public eye. These are artists where dancehall music is a music like this. As I would say, its core audience reside in the ghetto. Vybz Kartel say it best. Ghetto journalists. Now Vybz Kartel has documented the lifestyle of people residing in the inner city, even though him rep for country and for town. So the songs are relatable to people from diverse walks of life. Because remember, the teacher having properties uptown, him having song about the Benz, songs about luxury, of which the rich can relate to, but him also have songs of which the people in the inner city can relate to. Tommy Lee Sparta represents what it is, or what the mobile lifestyle, or entertainment lifestyle is like. From the Spartan girls, to the image, to the lyrical content. Remember, gone are the days when they talk about the man them want dial and collect. Tommy Lee such, that day and age is over. Some people might say, true, but him said that to take the light off of that. Knowing say as an artist, if you notice, majority of artists from Mobile have sampled something from the Tommy Lee Sparta image. And the Tommy Lee Sparta image is the Gaza image. You know what I mean? Just to point that out so the youths can know the reasoning and know where the thing are forward from. You know what I mean? Yeah, them can know, so it's a foundation. We build upon the foundation going up. And so skyscrapers are built. You build the top and then do the foundation. The foundation is laid and then you build and capitalize. Now, dancehall music, because as we say, majority of the record labels are either independently owned or not signed with any major distribution deal to any major label internationally. Whole heap of government stakeholders don't have them hands in a music like one time. Nor do you need the exposure of a producer. So this is almost a way for gain control in dancehall music. Eliminate the independent superstars. And the other artists who are following them can know, say, these are the do's and the don'ts. These are the people where you work with, these are where you say, these are what you don't say. Because basically, look upon it. When them talk about these two artists in particular, what them choose to do is talk about the lyrical content. Say the artist did say this and the artist did say that. Now, aren't these stories where people talk about from the community widely known? Widely known to the point where even other people from the community can say, yeah, me hear the story and these artists are involved. So if you can know, and you're not part of them, and them. So why is it that the artists who make the song can know? But guess what, go on? Because them like to say, which artist is real and which artist is not real. And when certain aspects of an artist is revealed, like some people like to say them fall from a rough community, and at one point in their life, then they live this kind of lifestyle, which is unproven. When another artist is proven to, him actually fall from the community, him actually grow rough, then them try to paint a certain picture when it suit them, because they may know this from initial stages of their career. But when they become a problem, these are the cards that them draw upon you. Then them remember say Tommy Lee Sparta fall out and say name Tommy Lee Sparta from the initial stage of them career for when him go around and promote him song them and Ray. He wasn't on the radar until he was on the radar. Them never that look upon him until he became a star in the dancehall life. Before that, he was just another artist. And he must sing the same type of song them that sing them time there. And Mr. sing them now. During the time when he make songs like Shook, he made already previously release songs like Holding Under Pressure. Trying to do the right. Some fools not gonna want it happen. Him sing songs like that. So in this day and age, he have songs like Rich Badness. But he also have songs that must send us a whole of vibes. The same type of lyrical content, but in this day and age now they must be more influential. So this is the reason about influence then. It has nothing to do with proof, or nothing to do with even the fact that say this individual is a person who needs to get out of society. No, say he has now reached the point where it is not a problem. It is all about influence, viewers and subscribers. They might target dancehall music. And if it's not clear to you, it should be clear now. Vice the one called Jayden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative. And yes, I'm reminding you now, if you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through, but you like the reason, of course you like the point of view, well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and put it on all. And this is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. The like icon there too, you know. Drop a like on the vlog from a like way here. The share icon is also in close proximity. Tell a friend, tell a friend. For tell them sister and them brother them for check out the channel, check out the reason, join the discussion, comment section, open 24/7, never lock yet. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. Other than that, you know the something about. You wanna move settings from I wanna need no ladder, and my sentiments for you and yours that wanna live, love and prosper until we reason again.